In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Fandom account. The Fandom is a platform which provides users with access to a wide range of topics and content, which may include discussions, articles, news, or even videos. To create your Fandom account, you need to download the app. After the app has been downloaded, open the app up. Here you'll have a few options to create your account. You can create your account using your Google account, Facebook, or Twitch, or you can also register using email. If you use any of these accounts or services, you'll need to enter the email address and password of those, or you can also simply use your email. Type in your email address and then tap next. Now you'll need to create a username and then again tap next. Now you'll need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal this password. Now again click on next. Now you need to check this box which says you are 13 years of age and over. Again tap done. After that's done, it will take you to the topic section. To get started, you need to pick or follow 3 topics. You can also search for topics here. After you selected 3 topics, you can tap on done. And just like that, you've created your Fandom account. Now you can browse through the articles and even watch videos.